Leka shokera yansi.
I need that. Carol.
The matter was coming up today again for further consideration to see if the state had finalized their investigations. Then we set it down for hearing. But we have received reports from the state prosecutor that they are still handling investigations, 1. 2, that they have other suspects to be apprehended. And we made a prayer to court that they expedite the processes of apprehending those who need to be added onto the charge sheet because they are known. The incident happened here at Freedom Stay. I've indicated to court that the owner of the premises is known. The manager is also known.